Hi ladies, this is going to be the soprano 2 part for choir 1, beginning on page 2, square A. We're going to play through some things and also talk through some things so you kind of know what's going on. So beginning at square A, 2, ready, repeat, So now we're at square D on page 7. And so the first time through, you'll notice that there's a repeat that starts at square D and ends on the bottom of page 8. So for this section, the first time through, it's actually going to be choir 2. So you're going to listen and you're going to hear them go. Second time through, so she, and it's the same thing. So they're going to be underneath you doing the other thing, but the good news is it's the same. And then we're at square E, and newsflash, still the same. So repeat. So that's the second ending on page 11. So be aware that that ends differently than you're expecting it to. And so then if you turn the page to 12, you'll notice that we lay out. There's a lot of rest. So the altos are going to take us through this page. And they just do some, it goes like, something like that. So you'll hear that when we get everybody together. Then you come back in on the top of page 13 at measure 87. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Rest, rest. 2, off. So you have several measures of rest. And you come back in on measure 100. And this will be a lot easier with all the other parts. There's some echoing going on back and forth here. And you'll learn to listen. So the way it kind of goes is you'll sing in unison with the soprano 1s. At letter G, it's a rest high. And then in choir 2, you'll hear the answer. So you don't sing that, you hear that. And then you come back in with the soprano 1s at measure 104. and then measure 107. That'll be a lot easier with everybody else. And so, sorry, measure 107 again, and then we'll count it. Ready? So 1, 2, rest, 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 rest. 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, rest, rest. Sorry, page turn. So now we're at square H. And square H, it changes up a little bit rhythmically. So the way this goes is we've been in triple meter. It's really compound meter. So we talked about this in the first lesson. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're feeling it in 2, but there's 3 beats per each snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at letter H, it actually goes to duple. So it's going to go like, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and so it's gonna be a little tricky, but once you feel it, it'll be okay. So it's gonna go like this at square H. Night we tend to her flame underneath you. You'll see that when you look at your music. Measure 134. And then measure 140. And so you'll listen for the altos doing the vocal percussion. So I think that's it. We just kind of worked through it a little bit. I didn't play it all straight through, but I think it'll be, once you kind of look through this and learn those parts, it'll be easier to do with everyone else. Thank you for your hard work. Appreciate it.